Hi everybody and welcome to Senior Class. My name is John DiPietro and welcome to the only show on television devoted exclusively to the needs of the 55 and up community. It's a pleasure to have you with us, and our guests for this show are the law offices of attorney James A. Miller.
Please call me Jim.
I'll call you Jim. Okay. Tell us about your practice, Attorney Miller.
Well, our practice is dedicated exclusively to seniors and their families, and really we deal with them in all phases of life. We plan for them when they're about 50, 55, and we make sure that their estate is planned, and God forbid they go into a nursing home, we take care of that and make sure they don't lose everything they own.
By losing everything you own, you don't mean losing everything you own, do you?
Well, the average nursing home cost in Worcester County is about $10,000 a month.
$10,000 a year, you mean?
No, I mean $10,000 a month.
$10,000 a month for a nursing home. So the work that you do is certainly have some financial implications.
Absolutely. You know, if you fail to plan, you plan to fail. And the problem here is $10,000 a month. Most of us can't afford to spend even 1 year in a nursing home without going broke.
Our experience with Attorney Miller was very, I'd say, comforting. We came in with a lot of questions and a lot of concerns, and all the questions were answered. I was amazed that after that, just the first meeting that we had with him, that we felt very comfortable.
Jim was recommended to us by a friend I worked with. I know what to do if something happens to Ed. I have peace of mind now.
Now, as far as your practice, how long have you been doing the work that you do?
I've been doing this since about 1993, and what I've done is very simply is we built up what I consider to be probably one of the largest boutique practices in Worcester County.
You know, there's a lot of lawyers in Worcester County, okay, and
a lot of good lawyers.
There are a lot of good lawyers. Say, for example, our viewer's brother-in-law, you know, was a real estate lawyer, and he's not really that busy right now. Could he or she do the work that you do? You
know, I like to tell people, look, if you have a problem with your hearing, you're not going to go to a podiatrist. If you have a problem and you need it done right in the legal field, you're going to go to somebody who concentrates in that area. I happen to concentrate in elder law, personal injury, things like that. You want to go to somebody who knows what they're doing.
So it really does make a difference to deal with someone who's in that area and knows the changes and the trends, right?
Yeah, Massachusetts just recently cut a whole bunch of money out of the Medicaid budget. That does not mean less people are going to be applying for nursing homes. It means less people are going to be getting in unless they plan properly.
So it really is more important than ever to be prepared for those eventualities, which hopefully won't hit, but may.
You know, your life depends on it. The latest statistic I read is about 40% of us are going to have some sort of a chronic illness as we age. Of that 40%, 50% of us are going to have more than one chronic illness. And if you wind up in a nursing home and you've done no planning, $10,000 a month, you're going to be bankrupt before the year's out.
$10,000 a month, not a pleasant thought by any means.
Not at all.
How about a website where people can get some information about
We own the website, MassachusettsMedicaid.com.
Okay, and does the website just say, call us for more information, or is there any useful information that they can read?
If you go to the website, you'll be able to download enough information so by the time you call us, you'll already be an educated consumer.
And you said you're located in Worcester, but you'll deal with people from everywhere in our viewing area,
Well, actually,
right?
we have offices located throughout Worcester County, so yes, we'll deal with people up to Fitchburg, Gardner, right down to Webster, Mass.
And I understand that the Worcester office is conveniently located right off of the highway.
If you know where the Northworks restaurant is and it's a convenient landmark in Worcester, you know where our office is.
And if someone wants to call you?
They can call me at 508-799-8885.
Does the clock start ticking right then and there?
We never charge for phone calls.
So someone can call you at no obligation, kind of tell you what their story is?
Absolutely, and we'll deal with them. We give them a free 15-minute phone consult, and we'll tell them either you need to come in for an office visit, and you know what, if we can't help someone, we'll tell them right then and there. There's no sense in them coming in.
He knows me, knows my wife, knows my kids, has met 3 or 4 of them, and we're on a first-name basis. I have absolutely no problem in calling him and asking him any questions I need an answer on, and he's very receptive to that. In fact, he encourages that.
So you've got to be very proud of what those people had to say about you.
Well, you know, we have a very dedicated staff, and the whole office is very proud of what our clients say about us, yes.
Great. And I want to thank you so much for taking time from your busy day to come join us here in Senior Class.
And thank you for having me.
Great.
It's definitely something that should be done, and don't wait. The sooner you get it done, the more peace of mind you will have.